Hello friend, this is Trueman Biology, purchased from It is Trueman Elementary Biology, Volume 1 for Class 11, 2018 edition, written by K.N. Bhatia and M.P. Tyagi. Actually, I reviewed this book for who purchased from the online, and we should see that with the Truman Biology book, there also present a Truman solve X inside the book we see a complete textbook volume 1. It is important book for NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test and Joint Entrance Test, or CBSE, any exam, any competitive exam, you should follow this book. Let's see that next page. Here it is preface, and then the syllabus of this book. In the syllabus, we see that diversity of the living organism, syllabus for class 11 exam, diversity of living organism, structural organization in animal and plant, cell structure and function, plant physiology, and human physiology also. Their content, various type of content are present. In this the content we seen that diversity of the living organism, our basic knowledge, the living world, biological classification, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and in unit 2 there have present structural organization in plant and animal, and in between in structural organization and in plant and animal there have present morphology of flowering plant, anatomy of plant, structural organization in animal tissue, structural organization in animal. And then we see that the third unit, cell structure and function, the basic unit of life, biomolecule, cell cycle, cell division. Plant physiology, in plant physiology there have present transportation in the plant, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plant, and last of all unit 5 there have present human physiology, digestion and absorption, breathing, and in exchange of gas, body fluid and their circulation, excretory product and their elementary. Chapter 20, locomotion and movement. Chapter 21, neural control and coordination and chemical coordination and integration. It should be briefly discussed inside this book. Here we see that all articles should be discussed properly. Derivation and symptoms, symbols also present, living worlds, systematic, the living worlds, botanical gardens, zoological park. Here we see that this content should be discussed briefly, and there have the in the end of every chapter there have various suggestive question for NCERT textbook question and answer, and also there have present 1 mark question, 2 marks question as you choose in HS or in CRT book. The 3 mark question, multiple choice question, various type of child's question, and also there have suggested competitive exam question with answer. Okay, then biological classification also present, and various chapter have present inside the book. And at the last session of the book there have various questions. We see that every chapter when the end of the every chapter there are various type of question. You see that it is a big volume, briefly elaborated each and every content. We see that. Okay, let's see that another suggestive question book, solve paper, subjective various problem solve MCQ solve paper. Here we see that various type of questions, short answer type of question should be discussed briefly. It is discussed briefly with a short answer type question with content, photosynthesis and heart plant, mineral nutrition. Okay, each and every chapter should be discussed briefly. At the end of this chapter there have its value based question, and in this value based question there should discuss briefly the question. So thank you guys, you've seen that Skylark video. Please subscribe the channel and you may view various type of biology book review. Thank you.